Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you trying to perform a factory reset on your Canon MF455dw? It is very easy process, and in this video, I'll show you which settings to enter and where to tap to do it. For one-on-one assistance, you can call us at the displayed numbers. Otherwise, let's continue with the tutorial. Go to your printer's operational panel, then press the Home key. On the display, tap on Menu. On the menu screen, tap on Management Settings. Under Management Settings, tap on Initialize All Data Settings. If you find these steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. If you're facing any other problem with your Canon printer, please let us know in the comments. Now, the printer will inform you about the deletion of stored data files. Here, select Yes. Tap on Yes again to restart the device after initialization is complete. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.